We're here, our first Texas bird show. We're gonna get a ton of toys for all the birds, perches, all kinds of fun stuff. I'm so excited. We just got done attending the Texas Bird Show. We were really excited about it, and as you can see, we did not buy anything. If I was selling a beautiful Lutino Quaker parrot at a bird event, I would never bring a dirty perch to be putting in the cage that I'm going to be displaying this bird into. What are your thoughts? What's your opinion? Let me know in the comments.
How much are the Indian ringgit?
Alright, you want to go look at the toys? Those are cream face cockatiel. Are you ready to go look at some bird toys, Chandler? These are really cute. I used to make these for my baby birds when I had some babies. They would snuggle up with them. They're nice and colorful. Here's a good selection of toys at this bird event. These colorful bird toy chains will keep your birds busy. They're easy to clean, so I do like that type of a toy with a combination of adding your wood toys as well. I did like this corner with the rope perches and the larger toy. It was made out of a harder wood that I could have purchased for Ruby and Cairo. It was $49, but I chose not to in the end. This African gray was super sweet. I would have liked to have seen the owners have the bird out interacting with us because we were walking around, and they could have really taken the opportunity to teach my kids about the Congo African gray. All of these toys are very fun. There's a lot of enrichment opportunity for your bird. I love the Parrot Pinata brand, and I also love the Planet Pleasures brand. As I go over in this video what I liked about going to this bird event and what I didn't like going to this bird event, I want to remind you this is my personal opinion. My children, they had the same outlook. They were not very satisfied with some of the birds that were there and just the typical setup that we saw. But in the end, we all have our own opinion. Overall, I'm sure that most of the people that attended this event were very happy with their purchase, and there were quite a few toys for small to medium-sized birds. The next clip that I really didn't like is when they use a ton of birdseed at the bottom of the cage and they're pooping all over it. I'd like to know what your opinion is. Post it in the comments. $13.
I like this one. Well, this one's kind of like a disco.
$23, so I'm not sure if I want to spend that much for it. It is cute though. We just got done attending the Texas Bird Show. We were really excited about it, and as you can see, we did not buy anything, right? It was kind of a bust. Unfortunately, they didn't have the types of toys that I wanted to get for Ruby, Cairo, and Boo, and Tawny. I really wanted some big toys with some really good wood. Another factor was we were pretty disappointed in the quality of the birds in the cages. We really didn't want to buy any toys because we didn't want to bring them home to our flock. I know with bird shows, they typically are going to have them just in a show type cage. The other thing that we saw was some of the green cheek conures were in a small cage, and the whole bottom of it was bird seed that they were supposed to be eating all day from 8 o'clock in the morning until 5 p.m. and then they were also pooping in it, because it was like the whole lining of the bottom of the cage. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I want you to know that I am a passionate parrot educator. I love going to bird shows. Some are going to be much better than others.